Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to make sure you never lose your Asana tasks and projects? In this video, I'll show you how to export your data and create backups on the free plan. First, to export a single project, open the project you want to save. Click the three-dot menu in the top right and select Export/Print. Then choose Export JSON. This saves a file of your project structure and tasks to your computer. For a more readable backup, use the Print option from the same menu. This creates a PDF of your project that you can save or print. Now, for backing up all your work, the free plan has a key limitation. There's no one-click. Export All button for the entire workspace. All button for the entire workspace. Instead, you need to export each project individually using the method I just showed you. Create a folder on your computer and save your JSON or PDF exports there regularly. This manual process ensures you have a safety copy of your most important projects outside of Asana. And that's it. While it takes a few extra steps, exporting your projects is the best way to back up your work on the free plan. If you back up your projects, let me know how often you do it in the comments. See you in the next one.